Okay, good morning, children. In last class, we completed up to what lecture number 26 in what acids and bases. So now we are at what lecture number 27. In lecture number 26 in last class, we was started what compounds from common salt we started. So in that compounds from common salt, we completed what first compound sodium hydroxide. Now the second compound is what bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. Ever you seen bleaching powder? Okay, right. That is the what bleaching powder. Right. So next lecture number 27, bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. What is the formula of bleaching powder? Bleaching powder formula is what? CaOCl2. CaOCl2. Bleaching powder. What is the name of this CaOCl2? Calcium oxychloride. What is the name of this one? Calcium oxychloride. Calcium what? Oxychloride is called as what? Bleaching powder. Bleaching powder. So it is prepared. This bleaching powder is prepared from where? By using of what? Calcium hydroxide and what? Chlorine gas. By using of these two, calcium hydroxide and chlorine gas, we prepared what? Bleaching powder by using of counter current method. By using of what? Counter current method. Counter current method. Counter current what method? So in this counter current method means what? One substance is sent from downside and another substance is sent from upside. So that is called as what? Counter current. Or one substance is sent towards right side, another substance is sent towards left side. This is said to be what? Counter current method. Counter current method. In this counter current method, so this bleaching powder is what? Prepared. So in this counter current method, the apparatus is present like this. So here what will happen? So this is the what? End side. So here what? From the end side we have what? One hooper here. We have what? One hooper here. From this hooper, so in this one we have what? Like this what arrangement is present. So this type of what? Shelves are present. This type of what? Shelves are present. Iron shelves are what? Present. Iron shelves are what? Present. So now here what? In the middle, so to this one, this middle one, we have what? Like this arrangement. So now what will happen when we present like this? So this what is chlorine gas when we sent from the downside? Chlorine gas I am sending from where? Downside. And from upside what I am sending? Calcium hydroxide. This one calcium hydroxide what? I am what? Sending or what I am allowing from the upside? Chlorine gas from the downside. What will happen? So this chlorine gas is what? Travels like this. Chlorine gas is what? Travels like this. So in such a way what it will travels. Whereas what? This calcium hydroxide is what will happen? It is what? Poured here like these places. So that's why it is what? Travels in such a way. That means what? These two are what? Travels in the opposite directions. So travels in the opposite directions. Travels in the what? Opposite directions. Whenever it is what? Travels in the opposite directions. So these two are what? Reacts with each other. These two are what? Reacts with what? Each other. Opposite directions reacts with each other, such that what will happen? These two are reacts with each other and formed so calcium oxychloride. What is the chemical reaction is takes place here? Calcium hydroxide is reacts with what? Chlorine gas. Calcium hydroxide is reacts with chlorine gas and formed what? CaOCl2 plus what? Water is formed. So the water which is formed, that will what? Dissolves the calcium hydroxide. So that's why this water what is formed, that should be what? Keep in water vapor form. To keep in water vapor form, and another what? Inlet is present at the what? Bottom. So from the bottom side we sent what? Hot air. We sent what? Hot air. That hot air will what? Keeps the water into water vapor form. Whenever it is present in the water vapor form, it will not reacts with the calcium oxychloride. So calcium oxychloride is formed and we will get this one at the what? Bottom of this apparatus. So in such a way we got as what? Calcium oxychloride. By which method? Counter current method. Counter current method is what? Two chemicals are sending from one is upside, another one is downside. That is called as counter current method. Here we are used calcium hydroxide and chlorine gases. Calcium hydroxide, chlorine gases reacts with each other and formed what? Calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. Now let me discuss about what uses of what our bleaching powder. Uses of bleaching powder. So first use, it is used to bleach. It is used to what? Bleach. What it is used to bleach? Cotton. It is used to bleach what? Cotton and what? Linens and what? Textile. So that means what? In order to remove the color, what we are used to what? Bleaching powder. Next one, second one, bleaching powder is used in paper industry also. Paper industry. So in paper industry we are used to what? Bleach the wood pulp. We are what? Used to bleach the what? Wood pulp. As well as what? It is used to what? Used to bleaching off. It is used to what? Bleaching off washed clothes. Bleaching off what? Washed clothes in laundry industry. Laundries we are also used. Next one, it is used as oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. Used as what? Oxidizing agent. Using as what? Oxidizing agent in many industries. That means what? It will give oxygen. That oxygen will oxidize the other substances. Next one, it is used as disinfectant. It is used as what? Disinfecting reagent. Disinfecting what? Reagent in drinking water. Disinfecting reagent in water. Drinking water also what? We are used. Next one, it is used to prepare valuable chemicals like what? Chloroform and what? Acetone. Chloroform and what? Acetone. It is used to prepare chloroform and acetone. So these are the what about the what uses of bleaching powder. So one point we should kept in our mind while we are using bleaching, while we are preparing bleaching powder, this calcium hydroxide should be present in what? So dry condition. It should not be present as what? Solution condition, or what somewhat wet condition is also preferable, but so complete solution what form should not be preferable, because the calcium oxychloride which is formed, that may be dissolved in the solution. So that's why just wet or dry what? Calcium hydroxide is what? Preferable to prepare what? Bleaching powder. So these are the what about the, this is the what about the concept used for preparation of bleaching powder, and as well as what? So uses of bleaching powder. Okay children, this is the what? Lecture number 27 we completed. Next we will enter into what? Lecture number 28.